Good morning, Tipsy Flyers, and welcome back to my channel. It is almost summertime in New York City, and today I'm traveling to New Orleans, departing from the recently renovated Laguardia airport. So join with me on this short trip to the south on board Delta Airlines Airbus A319. Today I'm traveling in first class cabin and I'm excited. Delta offers a dedicated check-in lounge at Laguardia Airport for Sky Priority members and first class passengers. After dropping my luggage at the first class counter, I made my way to security. Delta has a dedicated security lane for Sky Priority and first class members. Now it's time to check out the Delta Lounge. There are plenty of seats at this Delta Sky Club, and once fully complete, it will be the largest lounge in the entire Delta systems. After having a nice little breakfast at the lounge, it's time to make my way to the gate. My flight today is departing from gate 83, which is located in the old concourse. Welcome aboard flight DL2380 to New Orleans. Our aircraft today is Airbus A319, registered as Nancy 352 Nancy Bravo. She's 20 years old at the time of recording. And now, welcome to my seat. My seat today is 1A, which is a bulkhead seat. The legroom is excellent, however, it is still limited compared to the 2 rows behind. In terms of the seat features, we have a headrest which can be adjusted sideways and can also be moved up and down. Nested in the armrest was a USB port, and most importantly, there is a universal power outlet in between each seat. Also waiting for me was a mini water bottle. Once my first class passengers were settled, the flight attendant came up and took our welcome drink orders. I got a Prosecco.
Flight time is going to be just about 2 hours and 30 minutes. We're going to go.
The crew also offer headphones, so I got myself a pair. Boarding was short and easy, and soon we were on our way to NOLA.
It's unstoppable. And today, like every day, our goal is to put customers first.
Product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flights. Federal law prohibits tampering.
Inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest, or manually inflate it by blowing. Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray.
As soon as we reached the cruising height, the flight attendant prepared their in-flight service by taking our drink and meal orders. As the refreshment, I started with gin and tonic. 3 days before the flight, I received an email from Delta to pre-order my meal. There were 3 options and I chose a cheeseburger. The other options were vegetarian burrito and a cheese plate. Then our tray tables were set up with a white tablecloth. So here's what I got for brunch. For a starter, we have a small salad with dressing on the side, a cheeseburger with caramelized onion as the main course. For utensils, we have metal cutleries. And finally, a chocolate chip cookie for something sweet. Now I'm gonna drizzle some dressing onto my salad and some mayo for my burger. For my second drink, I had an old-fashioned. It's a pre-made cocktail can from Tip Top. It's the same one they sell in main economy, but served in a glass. In the seat pocket, we have a safety card and an air sickness bag. Delta used to have in-flight magazine before the pandemic. I'm wondering if they'll ever bring them back. After brunch, I made my way to the lavatory for a quick review. Hello from the first class lavatory. First impression, it's a small lavatory. The lighting isn't too bad, but I'm very curious about the duct tape on the countertop. There are soft tissues, paper towels, and toilet papers. There's also mirrors on both sides of the walls. We also have a Purell hand soap and a hand lotion from the Grown Alchemist. There is a changing table for passengers traveling with infants and young children. For the remainder of the flight, the crew kept offering more drinks, so I ended up sipping more sparkling wine until our final descent. After finishing 4 adult beverages, we are now making our final descent. To conclude, while the hard products may not be as fancy as some of the newer aircrafts, the seats were still large and comfortable for a short 3-hour flight. The legroom was excellent. There were plenty of entertainment options to choose from. The brunch was pretty lovely, and the crew were great. They kept offering more drinks throughout the flight. And most importantly, the flight departed and arrived on time. That said, I must say it was a nice afternoon flight and was a great way to get the party started in New Orleans. So much. Safe flight back home. And that's all for today. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Tipsy Flight channel if you enjoy watching my videos. Stay tuned for more and see you next time.